Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is gonna be an introduction video. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Nupur Dewangan. In this channel, I'm gonna post videos related to beauty like homemade remedies for good skin, glowing skin, makeup, fashion, styling and lifestyle. Okay, so I'm gonna post videos on every after 3 days. Okay, then see you guys in my next video. Yeah, one more thing is I am very new on this platform, and this is of course not my first YouTube channel. I have started one more YouTube channel uh, almost 1 year ago, but because of some circumstances I got my that YouTube channel dead. So this is my second YouTube channel, and of course this is not my first video. Still I'm getting quite a bit nervous, but it's okay. Okay, so I don't have that much of experience in this platform, like a YouTube platform. So I just want to say you all guys that every step of mine, if you have any suggestion related to me or the way I make videos or anything or any topic, if you want to suggest me, please go ahead and comment down below, so I also get some new ideas, and I will definitely make videos on that also, and let's grow together. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Till stay tuned and love you. See you.